making websites that can earn you big time, even if you're a teenager with barely any cash to spare. No need to leave the comfort of your house. And the best part? You'll receive payment within 24 hours. No more waiting around for weeks. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video to uncover a bonus side hustle website that'll pay you free money just to sign up to their site.
Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Jeffrey. I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I make most of my money on the internet. Now on this channel, I do stuff like how to make money online, YouTube, affiliate marketing, social media growth, and many more. If you want to make money online and learn some of this trick, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the like button to be notified anytime we post a new video. Now let's get into the video.
For our first online side hustle website, imagine getting paid to look at pictures online. Have you ever wondered how inappropriate stuff usually doesn't show up on search engine results like Google Images? Well, there's people getting paid to view these images on the internet and selecting the inappropriate photos to help train AI models better. Oh, dog. I can't show this on YouTube, man. And the more images you look at, the more you get paid. And you can make money doing all this using a site called Toloka. There's even more stuff that you can do using this website, like for example, reading text that it gives you, and then deciding which category the text goes into, A or B. All your work is pretty much to help train AI models. And the more images or text you help identify for them, the better their models are, and the more you get paid. I've already worked with Toloka before and requested payments to my PayPal, and when I did that, I got my payments almost instantly to my accounts. So these guys pay even faster than in 24 hours.
Alright, so with the first website, what you have to do is to now go to your next tab and then just type Toloka. So you type Toloka, it is over there, and then just click on it. So you see over it says Toloka. Then we have AI development platform, fast and scalable ML development. So you can see that sign up for free data annotation, data analysis, smart pricing, get paid to do short tasks online. So and it says start earning money. Toloka's preview images and extra cash on the go. So basically on this website you perform a lot of tasks over here to make money. Now when you get here, just click on Toloka AI. So when you click on that, it now takes you to the website. Now on the website you see this always says that powering AI with human insight, a data-centric environment to support fast and scalable AI development with the help of human insight. So it says that talk to an expert, and then you can see the tabs over here. Also you can go through that. So and then you can just read the other stuffs on the website. But then the only thing you have to do is just go ahead and then you can just click on talk to an expert. Now we won't talk to an expert, just fill in this information, then you're able to talk with someone. But then what you have to do is that if this is your first time, just click on login. So when you go to login, it says that you can choose your role. You can't switch roles with the same account. So I'm ready to earn money, and it says that I need data for my project. So students that also need data to do their projects and other stuff can also get some of these data from the Toloka website. So it says that but then in your case, you are here to earn money, you are here to make money. So you just take this one. It says that I'm ready to earn money, complete simple tasks and get paid, earn money whenever, wherever you want. So basically, if it is your first time, you just click on learn how to make money. So it says that you see that you can go ahead and then read all of these things, how it was. Take a few minutes to sign up, totally free. Complete a quick training to start set to learn how to do particular types. So you can see that a lot of stuff over here. But then you can just go ahead and log in over here. Now because I already have an account, but then if you don't have an account, you can see that it will take you to a place where you have to register. When you are registering, you just have to enter your email. After entering your email, they will send you a code where you have to verify with your you go to your mail and then verify with that code. After that, what you do next is to enter your first name, your last name, and then a new password, then you go ahead and register. When you enter into the website, it says that which language do you want to do your tax in. So if you are English speaking country, whatever country, Arabic, French, and then the other countries, just enter the type of language that you want. But because I already have an account, I'm just going to click on that, and then it will take me to my dashboard or my page. So you can see that I have a lot of tax here to do. So it says that just by completing this task, I will have about 0.05 per tax. So you can perform the same tax many times. So it says that this has no limit. You can see that this basically a test. You can test yourself. Is add relevant to query. So you can do that. You can do that and earn about $11.84 over your maximum. So you can do the tax over and over and over and earn about maximum. You can earn about 11.84. And over it says demographic survey of crowd workers. So you can see that with this one, it's just you have no limit to that. So you can see that a lot of tasks. This task here says that take 10 photos of your face. So just take 10 photos of your face, and then whatever task you perform, anytime you perform that, you get $1. You get $1. So you can see that you have no limit in doing that. So you can just do that also. There are also training sessions where you can do also. So you say scan your feet with our data app. So you can do that also. You get 0.05. So you can see that a lot of tasks we have. Take a picture of yourself, $0.50. Take a picture of yourself. So you can see that it has no limit. So you can do that over and over and make a lot of money from this website. So if you want to join this website, click on the link in the video description and then join this website, or quickly go to the Toloka website and then register over them. So you can make a lot of money on this website. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. I'm going to do the tax on this, and then I'm going to show you the results in the comment section or in the community tab section, the amount that I've earned, so that you can see, and then go ahead and do that. So you can see that a lot of tasks to be done over here. Now I hope this video was helpful. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in another section.